Hare Krishna Mataji.
Thank you, everyone.
Kalpana Mataji, we are live. I'll make you host. You can make me go.
Yes, Mataji. Is my Hare Krishna devotees, is my screen visible and am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Yes.
Yeah. Welcome all to the second day. 1 second.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yeah.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Welcome all to the 18 days Bhagavad Gita day course, second day. Yesterday we had an Orientation day. We discussed 3 main important topics. Glorification of Bhagavad Gita given by Adi Shankaracharya, and next we saw in detail about the life history of His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada, and then we had an intro about the first chapter. Today we will be going in detail, studying and discussing about first chapter. So before that, let me do Mangalacharan. Yeah. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnanananjana Chakshur Ulimilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadhamayam Dadadi Swapadankitam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yutapada Kamalam Shri Gurum Shri Vaishwanamscha Shri Rupam Shagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathan Vitham Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhambitamscha He Krishna Karuna Sindho Dina Bandho Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधार श्रीवासाद गौर भक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. Can you all please unmute once and sing Hare Krishna Mahamantra along with me? Chant. Hare Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Krishna, Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama
Rama
Rama,
Rama,
Hare
Hare Hare.
Hare. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Offer my humble obeisances to Founder Acharya, His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, His Holiness Jai Pataka Swami Guru Maharaj, and our Temple President, His Grace Namanishta Das Prabhuji. Yeah. Okay. Yesterday, anyone would like to quickly brief me 2 points about pastimes, what we discussed in about Srila Prabhupada? Prabhupada's initiated name is Srila Prabhupada. His before that, what is his name? Anyone knows his first name?
Abhay Charan Das.
Hari Bol, Abhaya Charan. Fearless. Charan is lotus feet. Anyone? Yesterday we discussed so much in detail, right, about all these pastimes. Anyone would like to give just at least 1 point or 2 points? It'll be. Let us make the class interactive session. Okay, which place is this? Any idea? Okay, this is the Nam Sankirtana Prabhupada did at New York, Tompkins Park Square. Okay. Anyone remember yesterday what we discussed here? Okay, let me go on. Okay, so Prabhupada, quickly I will brief in 2-3 points because we discussed at large yesterday. Today, I'll brief you in 2 minutes before we start the first chapter. So Prabhupada is born from a highly qualified Brahmana family. From young childhood itself, he was so much into devotional activities because he's following his footsteps of his father. He gave deity toys and used to play, make Radha Yatra. And then during his college time, he met his guru, Saraswati Swami, and he advised Prabhupada to preach. Then from then on, there is no looking back. Prabhupada started writing books, commentaries, magazines, and he was involved in various devotional activities for almost 30 years. He took initiation at 1950. But what happened? Prabhupada's teachings were, there was not much response in India. But as per instructions of his guru, Prabhupada went to West. With this is yesterday. You remember what is the name of the ship? Jaladuta. He went to New York in cargo ship, and he had only for 40 rupees with him, along with only with complete faith and submission. We discussed. You remember? Complete with faith and submission. He went and met. He went to New York, and there in streets and park, he started doing Nama Sankirtana. After 1 year, Prabhupada opened first in ISKCON center under a tree and in front of a small store. So from then on, Prabhupada's ISKCON movement grew, and he became so rich, and Krishna's blessing is so much that Prabhupada opened 108 temples. He went around the globe for almost 14 times. So much struggle, right from so much bhakti, so much belief in God and Krishna that his only goal was Prabhupada's goal is to tell about Krishna. He want to glorify Krishna and what Krishna's teachings is. Everyone should follow whatever Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, and we have to know the purpose of the life is to self-realization. And Prabhupada, finally, he was given a title recently. We discussed, right? Vishwa Guru. Yeah, and we discussed this yesterday. Why ISKCON Bhagavad Gita as it is? Why we must read Bhagavad Gita from Prabhupada's this thing? Because we discussed the parampara, right? Anyone want to share what we discussed yesterday? One line. Only a bona fide spiritual master, when we start learning from a guru who is from a bona fide, from disciplic succession. So Krishna is a person, supreme personality of Godhead. He gave all the Vedas, and from him it came to Narada, and like that through the disciplic succession, only Prabhupada came. And yesterday I told which sampradaya we belong to. Anyone remember? Anyone would like to share? Brahma Madhva Gaudiya Sampradaya. Okay, so simple example, one more I want to give. Yesterday we discussed about phone and connection and how it is compared. So one more example is like for better understanding. See, if you have any disease, suppose I have a severe headache. So what I will think, I immediately I must go to a doctor and take a medicine. But nowadays everyone like simply they will go to any pharmacy and they will ask for some simple quick fix, and they will take some paracetamol or pain reliever, and they will take that. So that is only a temporary this thing. But if you have some disease and you want a complete cure, it is better to go approach, see a doctor, because doctor only will understand your symptoms. What are your symptoms? And he from the symptoms he will diagnose your disease, and from that only he will be able to suggest the medicines for the cure. So similarly, only if you approach a guru, only guru can guide you accordingly as per the Vedic scriptures, and he can help you, right? So then only as it is, he will explain. Okay, so then mood of Bhagavad Gita. This also we discussed yesterday. So it is a flow of thoughts between Arjuna and Krishna. This happened in Dwapara Yuga, when there is a in the battlefield Dharma Kshetre, where no Kauravas and Pandavas, they were both Kauravas were the sons of Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra, his brother is Pandu, and his sons were Pandavas. So Arjuna is fighting with Arjuna and his family fighting with Kauravas. So now it is happening in Kurukshetra, Dharma Kshetra. So what exactly, if not, Arjuna is not able to fight because he's, after seeing all his family members on the other side of, along with Duryodhana, he was in a confused state. So he will tell few reasons why he does not want to fight, and he is in material grief. So now at this stage, in chapter 1, Arjuna Vishada Yoga, which we are going to study in detail, Krishna is not going to talk anything. Only Arjuna will give all the reasons and excuses for not fighting. Let us see in detail. So Krishna drove the chariot in the midst. So we all know Arjuna, this also we discussed yesterday. Arjuna, chariot driver is Krishna. So because Arjuna chose Krishna, Krishna will tell Arjuna that I'm not going to fight. I will be as a charioteer and I'll guide you. So and now Arjuna will first ask, please take me to the middle of the battlefield. I want to see who are all there. So that is the starting thing. Arjuna Vishada Yoga. Vishadam is grief. Yoga is science of God. Okay. So yesterday, I was telling how many shlokas, total 700 shlokas, and Dhritarashtra will be having first shloka. So there's Bhagavad Gita starts with the first shloka by Dhritarashtra. So Dhritarashtra is asking Sanjaya. So first shloka, Hare Krishna. Dhritarashtra uvacha Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samavedayutsavaha Mamakaah Pandavaschayava Kimakurvata Sanjaya. Translation by Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Dhritarashtra said, O Sanjaya, after my sons and the sons of Pandu assembled in the place of pilgrimage at Kurukshetra, desiring to fight, what did they do? Now, Dhritarashtra is a king who is blind. He cannot see, but he wants to envision what is happening in the battlefield. So, Sanjaya, anyone knows who is Sanjaya? Sanjaya is... Yesterday, I got so many responses. The class was very interactive. Today, everyone was very silent. I don't know why.
He is the one who's narrating everything to Dhritarashtra.
Haribol. Yeah. So he is a disciple of... Sanjaya was a disciple of?
Vyasa.
Pardon? Vyasa Deva.
Vyasa.
Yeah. Vyasadeva is an incarnation of Krishna. If you know Vishnu Sahasranamam,
And he is having the Divya Drashti, so that
Exactly.
he can see whatever is going to happen or what is going there in the Kurukshetra.
Exactly.
And he was,
Jnana Shakshu. Jnana Shakshu. Vyasadeva offered Sanjaya Jnana Shakshu so that he can see from the palace only whatever all happening, the scenes in the this thing. So that's why Dhritarashtra and Sanjaya also will listen to Bhagavad Gita. And Vyasadeva is one who has categorized Vedas in the scriptures and is given Ramayana, Mahabharata, Upanishads, everything were given by Vyasadeva to us. Vyasadeva is Swayam, the incarnation of Krishna. If you know Vishnu Sahasranama, he will say Vyasaya Vishnu Rupaya. He is a Vishnu Rupam.
Excuse me, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Sorry for the disturbance, ma'am.
Ma'am, you said that Krishna gave something to Vyasa. What is that, ma'am? I didn't get you because it
No,
was.
no, no. I'm sorry. Sorry, I did not get you.
Sorry,
Can you repeat?
Mataji. You told that Krishna, Bhagwan Krishna gave to
No,
Vyasa.
Vyasadeva,
Huh?
as Dhritarashtra desired to see the no war, he want to see what is happening in the war exactly. Since he's blind, he cannot see, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
Vyasadeva assigned Sanjaya and gave Sanjaya the Jnana Chakshu so that he can uh, envision, see what all happening. Can you see in the picture? Backside, you can see the battlefield and everything. From here
Yes, ma'am.
itself, he's seeing. Now, how we have live relay from here? At from home only, we'll be watching live cricket. We'll be watching live chan, right? Like that, Sanjaya had Jnana Chakshu from which he is able to see what is happening at the battlefield Kurukshetra, and he was explaining everything to Dhritarashtra. So this was given by Vyasadeva, Vyasa Maharishi. So Vyasadeva is incarnation of Lord Sri Krishna.
Yes,
Vyasaya
ma'am.
Vishnu Rupaya Vyasa Rupaya Vishnave. So he's an incarnation of Krishna, I told. Yeah, he's
Okay.
Lord himself.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Sorry for the
Yeah,
disturbance,
no
Mataji.
issues, no issues. Dharma Kshetre. So the Dhritarashtra is asking Dharma Kshetre. What is happening at the Dharma Kshetra? Why Dharma Kshetra? Dharma, the place is very a sacred place. This place uh, is there present since Vedic times, since ages, and this is place for dharma, right act. So Dhritarashtra is asking indirectly that uh, dharma kshetra, what is happening? Mamaka means my sons. What is my sons and Pandavas are doing? So he's categorizing. Since his elder brother died, Pandavas or also should be the sons, right? Both should be considered as sons. His sons are called as Kauravas and Pandu's sons are Pandavas. He is dividing them. No, my sons, what my sons are doing, and this. So war is taking place because only of Dhritarashtra. He is being a king. He should have done right thing, right? He should have, if he had considered everyone as equal, both his sons and Pandava's sons as equal, he would have distributed the kingdom equally to everyone. But he does not want. He want only his sons to enjoy and everything. So that's why he is now asking what my sons and Pandus are doing. Kimakuruvat, what they are doing, he's asking. So it is understood here that he is little bit possessive, like about his children, and he is using this word dharma kshetra because uh, Krishna is there with Pandus, so he's worried about if their uh, sons might lose. And one more thing is what we can understand is the Dhritarashtra doesn't want any compromise because it is being a sacred place. Their science might get influenced because of uh, the dharmic place. No, if you are associating with pious people, if you are living in pious place, then we will get that influence, and slowly we will start seeing changes. So he is worried if his sons will also get change, and they will get into a compromise and they will share the kingdom among themselves. He's having that point of fear is also there. He's fearful, anxious, and he want to know exactly what is happening. And he's also worried if they might lose because Swayam Sri Krishna is there along with Pandavas. Hope I'm clear. If you have any doubts, you can please make a note down. I'll no, clarify post the class. So this is the explanation. So Dharma Kshetre. So if you add milk, boiling milk, if you boil milk and if you add lime to it, we all know what it will happen. The casein part, the thick white part, and the no transparent milk part, it gets separated, right? Now this separation is considered as like how the Dhritarashtra is distincting his sons and Pandavas. And then Kima Kurvat is asking, what did they do? What did they do? Yes. Next, Sanjay Vacha Drishtva tu Pandavanekam Vyudham Duryodhanastada Acharyam Upasangamya Raja Vachanam Abravit. Sanjaya said, O king, after looking over the army arranged in military formation by the sons of Pandu, King Duryodhana went to his teacher and spoke the following words. So, he said that Duryodhana is going to his teacher and talking like this. Now Sanjay is narrating completely entire thing what is happening to Dhritarashtra. From here only Bhagavad Gita starts. Pashyetam Panduputraणाम् Acharya Mahatim Chamum Vyudam Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimataha. So who is the teacher of Duryodhana?
Dronacharya.
Exactly.
Dronacharya.
Haribol. So Dronacharya is going and talking in a way. It is expression, if you see, is very fearful, angry, everything, fear and anger is there. After seeing the entire military strength of the Arjuna, he's coming and talking like this. Oh, my teacher, behold the great army. See the armies of Pandu, arranged by Drupada. Who is Drupada? Drupada's son, Drupada Putrena. Draupadi's father is Drupada, and Draupadi's brother is Drishtadyumna. Son of Drupada is Drishtadyumna. So he is saying, see, he is your disciple. No, your own disciple is now arranging everything, and he's preparing to kill you. So he's indirectly provoking Dronacharya, that whoever has there is a saying, whoever you have helped, they have only given poison to you, something like that. So that proverbs will well fit here. So he's provoking that your own disciples are planning everything so intelligently against you. So in next few verses, he will name everyone. So all are intelligently placing. So this kind of a fear, his army is so strong and people are so strong, and he's explaining that the military phalanx created by Drishtadyumna is expertly arranged by him. So see, and he is trying to provoke Dronacharya. So before that, what happens? He will explain everything, and cleverly he will also motivate that don't worry, Bhishma is there. He is very happy that Bhishma Pitama, because Bhishma Pitama is grandfather of Kauravas and Pandavas. Bhishma Pitama had a boon that he can die only at his own will. So Duryodhana, though afraid of this army, he is again happy that the strong person is there with him like a support. But he does not know Krishna is the supreme personality and he's above all. That he did not realize. That's why when Krishna went and when both Arjuna and Duryodhana approached Krishna for support to their side, Krishna will say, I can come for one side and I will give my army on the other side. Duryodhana, such a fool that he did not, don't know. Even he has seen Vishwarupa. I think you will all know the story.